So here we start, but just before that, we should sanitize our hands as the corona period is also going on. So let's sanitize our hands. Now let's begin. We have all our materials. These are a pair of scissors used for cutting, ruler for drawing lines, marker for bordering, and Fevibond for pasting. You can also use Fevicol, double-sided tape, or hot glue gun. A thermocol cutter, a shoebox. You can even take a milk carton, and sellotape, brush, punching machines, a rope, acrylic colors. Here I have taken 3 colors: sea blue, lime yellow, and white. Mixing palette, ice cream sticks, these 2 bowls which I have made from glass and using stick, and the decorative items. This is optional. So I have removed all the excess material from the table. So now let's get started. So take a thermocol cutter and a shoebox or whichever item you have taken and just cut it. I will cut it freehand. You can even make a design or take a template for making a design. So let's get started.
A few moments later.
So here I have cut out the doors of the bird feeder from this thermocol cutter, and I have did it so well from the other side too. Now it's time to paint it. So let's take out our paint brushes and get ready to paint. So I have colored this side with white and sea blue color. You have to just take a little quantity of white, a little quantity of sea blue color, and add a little quantity of white color to make this color. So I have done it in this side. So let's do it in the other side as well. So let's get starting it.
A few inches later.
So, and make sure you don't have to add water to it, or it will be light. The color will get lighter. So here is the last part which I am coloring, and afterwards we will go to the terrace for letting it dry. So here it goes. Our box is ready. So let's go to the terrace for letting it dry. So let's go. Yeah, in my terrace. So let it dry. I shall keep it over here so that it won't fly away. Now let's down for making the other ornaments for the bird feeder. So let's go. It was super exhausting in the terrace due to summer season. So now let's make the roof. So let's make it. So here we have all the materials for the roof. So take a big ice cream stick and Fevibond and apply some Fevibond on the roof. Now let's paste it. You have to paste it according to height. So now let's do it.
A few inches later.
So here our roof is almost ready, and I have made a pattern roof. You can make a simple roof or a pattern roof of your choice. So now I am placing these ice cream sticks one after the other. And let it dry for some time.
15 minutes later.
So right after 15 minutes later, the box has been dried, and now it's time to make holes. So let's get our punching machines on. So here we go. We have a punching machine. So firstly, we have to punch a hole right here. So first take your marker, make a hole right in the center of the box. Fevicol, tape or Fevibond on the stick first. Don't put it directly on the glass or it will get melted. So first put the Fevibond on the stick and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, paste the Fevibond on the cup and your bowl is ready. And to make it more secure, you should paste a tape or a piece of paper using Fevicol or tape. You should paste the paper to make it more secure that it will not fall. So now let's insert this to the bowl. So first put the bowl in the hole and hence your bird feeder bowl is ready to use. So let's do it with the other side. So here we have put our bowls in it, and if you want to make it more secure, you can add a tape or a Fevibond. So here first add a Fevibond in the end of these sticks in both the sides to make it even more secure. So let's do it. So now let's punch a hole in the roof to make it hang. You can make a hole anywhere you want. So I will make it just here in the top to make it more even convenient for me for making another hole. So now you can make the hole in whichever directions you want. So let's now make it. So now the holes has been made. So let's take the rope. You can even take thread, but you have to fold it twice or thrice to make it even more stronger. So let's take the rope first and cut it in the size you want. So I will do it first and you can repeat. So I cut the rope and using a pencil, if the hole is small, using a pencil, insert the rope in the box and then pull the rope from down and make the whole rope out from the other hole. So you can also do it that way, and then just make a knot over for letting it hang. So let's make a rope knot. And remember, the knot should be much tighter that it should not fall. So I have made the knot. Now you can do it so. So here I have tied a knot, and now it's time to assemble it. So let's assemble it. So I have made one roof like this. Now let's tell you how did I make it. First, put the Fevibond or whichever pasting item you are using on the bigger ice cream sticks in which you pasted the small ice cream sticks on it. Put it thoroughly. Then just after it, let it dry for some time. A trick that I will tell you about this Fevibond is that you should make it rest for 10 minutes. You have put the Fevibond on it. This is the trick which will help you to paste this Fevibond on the roof very easily. So I am first make like this, lay it on the roof of the box and then just tilt it little. After tilting it, you may see that it's
5 minutes later.
So after 5 minutes, the roof has been pasted. So now let's make this roof more stable by adding this. Take broken ice cream stick and broke it little more shorter. Then put the ice cream sticks here and add Fevibond to make it stable. If your roof is stable, no need of making it, but for more security, you should. So now my roof is stable, but to make the roof more long lasting, I will make it like this. Hold it until it pastes and make this roof stable. So see, our bird feeder is almost ready. Now you would be thinking why I said almost. Everything needs some decor. So let's do its decoration by using the paint brushes and the white color. So let's take out our paint brushes. So let's take them out. So I put my paints on. Now first wet your brushes with little water. And now take the white paint. Then make a brick-like structure on the wall. Like this. You can do whichever thing you want. You can even make hearts, shapes, or anything you want. So I will also complete it. Till then, you can complete it. So here I did for one side. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Like this, and copy the rest as it was. Now you would be wondering that why I took out the yellow color. So now take a yellow color little bit, and in the sides of this, on the inner side of this white color, put some yellow color for highlighting. You can do it anywhere in which you want. So let's do the same on the opposite side. So mine is ready and I have hung it out for drying. So let's meet after 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
So after 15 minutes, it is fully dried and ready to go. But before that, little bit decoration and highlighting. So I have taken a bold marker. You can even take a thin marker and highlight the bricks. I highlighted one. Like this, make the rest beautiful like this one. So let's do it. So here is our bird feeder ready and ready to be hung out. So let's hang it out. So now I am putting some little bit seeds in it. And little water for the feathered ones to drink. So here, water and food for the feathered ones is ready and ready to be hung out. here our bird feeder is ready and well to go. This is a gift to you, little birds. Thank you and have a nice day.